Today we shall be looking at listening and speaking, and we are going to be looking at a conversation, or what we refer to as a dialogue. A conversation or a dialogue. One thing about this dialogue is that we are going to be looking at the dialogue on page 193 of our English textbook. Page 193 of our English textbook. So you can choose a partner at home while both of you read this conversation, but you must make sure you use the correct intonation for the questions and statements. I will help us with the first two sentences. Hakeem: hi, did you enjoy school today? Hi, did you enjoy school today? Remember that you were taught before now that when you are making a statement, you must use the following tone. When you are making a statement, you use the following tone. That is, your voice goes down. Then when you are asking a question, if it's a question that requires the answer yes or no, your voice goes up. That is, you use the rising tone. Hi, did you enjoy school today? That is what? The yes or no question. So use the rising tone. Whereas when you are asking a question again, but this time you are using the WH, like what, when, where, how, you use the word falling tone. Example in our textbook: how does it work? How does it work? So we have it in our textbook on page 193 there. How does it work is different from how. Did you enjoy school today? One is what? The rising tone, while the other use the word falling tone. So as you read your dialogue, make sure you take note of all this tonation when reading questions and or making a statement. So you read the dialogue on page 193 and answer the questions orally. Use the correct intonation for the questions and statements. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day. God bless you.